Welcome back to Ingwa News. A complaint has been launched alleging that a man was seriously injured in an assault near Moira following a long-standing property dispute. According to complaint, the victim was allegedly hit by motorcycles and later physically assaulted by the accused, who was reportedly issued death threats before fleeing the spot. The injured man was rushed to PHC Aldona for treatment, while police are expected to investigate the matter further.
आनी खंय मार
हांगा पंच म्हणजे हांगा म्हाका खूब हें जाता मद्दी सारकें
हे आतां हॉस्पिटलान मारले बँडेज तुमकां
हय खूब पेन जाता
ओके आनी
कीक मारल्या दुसरी तेज्या बापायन हाडून मागीर तेका बापायक तेणें फोन मारून आपयल्लो तेन्ना ती हांगा म्हाजेर हें मारलें बुलेट मारले हाडून तेन्ना हांव जमनीर पडलो पांयाचेर रायट सायड तो म्हाका मागीर हांव पडल्या उपरांत पांयाचेर पडल्या उपरांत बुलेट मारना फुडें तेन्ना जमनीर पडना फुडें ते चिरागाल म्हाका ओडलो तेन्ना हांगा म्हाका स्कॅच पडल्या
ओके
तशेंच म्हाका तो कितें बीन मातशें मार लागला चड
मार लागला तुका
any personal enmity against anyone, they should sort it out amicably and resolve it. There are also avenues where you can explore, and if necessary, if you feel that this dispute cannot be ended, you can go to court. But assaulting somebody is not acceptable. I will not tolerate it, and I will support Love Tapur to make sure that he gets justice.
सो व्हाट वाज द रीजन बिहाइंड द अटॅक
I
जेन्ना
don't
तुमी
know
मेळून
about
गेले
it.
ताका
I think there is some little history of enmity for some time between that, and which I don't know the details of the reasons of the enmity, because I personally कोणागे कितें आहा तें हांव केन्ना पळोवना, because for me everybody is close to me, but this kind of things I will not tolerate and I will not tolerate.
कित पर्यंत सारकी गजाल आसा की एका रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह पंच मेंबराचेर अटॅक दिसा दोगळ्या
See, today he is a representative of so many people who get selected. Even if it was not representative, law can't be something because you are representative it is higher and because you are a common man it is lower. No, law is the same for everybody and assault is an assault. So it is the same and therefore it has to be justice with an equal tough hand for everybody.
सो तेंच्यांनी जी कंप्लेन केल्या ओपीन तेचेर एक्सिडेंट म्हणून कंप्लेन घेतल्या बट वाय नॉट असॉल्ट कंप्लेन
कोण accident म्हणून गायला
आल्दोना ओपी
हांव नेना पूण हांव चोयलो तेन्ना लव तकराक सामकें he was quite badly hurt.
he's got
So it
fractures also
can't
and
be that
internal nervous blockage.
that's an accident, as if he has fallen down or somebody has done some mischief to record it. I don't know.